Start with a slip knot and chain 12. Three double crochets in the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. This one. One double crochet each in the next 4 stitches. One half double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. One single crochet each in the next 2 stitches. Now in the last stitch, make one single crochet, chain 1 and one single crochet in the same stitch. This is how to look. Now turn your work and start working on the opposite side. One single crochet each in the next 2 stitches. And take this yarn in along with the working yarn. One half double crochet each in the next 2 stitches. One double crochet each in the next 4 stitches. Three double crochets into the last stitch. And make a slip stitch on top of this first stitch. And while making the slip stitch, change to the green color yarn. You can weave off this yarn. Chain 7. And make a slip stitch into the same stitch. Chain 10. And make a slip stitch into the same stitch. Chain 7. And make a slip stitch into the same stitch. And weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.